Hi there, students. To suffuse, a verb. Suffusion, a noun, less common. Okay, to suffuse means to move all the way through something, to spread through it, particularly a colour or light or maybe a smell or a taste. So the garden was suffused with the light of the setting sun. Okay, it was full of, it was covered in. Yeah, so to suffuse, to gradually spread through something, to spread over something. So as he became more and more embarrassed, his cheeks suffused with colour. Okay, to bathe with something, to cover something, to pervade. So if something, particularly a colour, or maybe a feeling as well, suffuses, it gradually spreads through them. So as the music played, it started to suffuse him with a feeling of happiness. Okay? Maybe a book or a film or a piece of music could be suffused with something. So the poem was suffused with emotion. The film was suffused with a romantic feel. The book is suffused with a feeling of horror. Okay, so to suffuse, to spread through everything, in the manner of a liquid, like a liquid does. So, for example, if you pour a drop of ink into water, the ink will slowly suffuse through the water and eventually it will all be that colour. Okay, so yeah, the area was suffused with a feeling of depression. Depression suffused through the area. It spread. Yeah, the sky was suffused with the red of the sunset. So to cover, to bathe with, the building was bathed in the moonlight. It was suffused with the moonlight. So to pervade, to permeate, to imbue. Okay, to impregnate, to go everywhere. So her eyes were suffused with tears when she heard the bad news. The film is suffused with his quirky sense of humour. His voice was suffused with passion, full of it. It had spread through it. It had been flooded with it. Okay, yeah, the suffusive sunlight, there you go as an adjective. The suffusion of sunlight made the building look very different. Okay, so to cover, to pervade, to flood with. Formality. I think I'd probably give it a 6.5 in formality. I think bathed in sunlight informally, covered in, flooded with. Use it in a semi-formal or a formal conversation or a semi-formal writing. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin sub fundo, sub under, and fundo to pour. So to pour underneath, so you pour underneath and it slowly mixes, I think is the idea. The book was suffused with irony, for example. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To suffuse.